Good afternoon, students. Today I'll go to discuss about the exercise number 3.1. Okay. So last day I've discussed the integers chapter. We have finished. So now today I'll go to the exercise number 3.1. So write the opposite of the following. How can you do the opposite? You can find out the suppose main words. I am copy the question. Loss of rupees suppose 5,000. So just you have to underline the loss. Of course the opposite of the loss will be what? Profit. So you can make it profit of rupees 5,000. Profit of rupees 5,000. Clear to all of you? Okay. In the same way, suppose number 4. What is say that 325 BC. This number so you have not make any opposite, so this is the make the opposite. What do you make it? 325 AD. Clear? Next another. Suppose number 6. 25 degrees C above freezing point. So this is the main things. Above you can write it 25 degrees C, below freezing point. This clear to all of you? Okay. So now plus or minus sign. Question number 2, what is say that write each of the following using the appropriate plus or minus sign. So suppose you know that gain will be denoted by plus, loss will be denoted by minus. Okay. So whenever we do the something this type of work, you see that question asks gain of 3 kg weight. So gain of 3 kg weight you can make it gain. So whenever any figure will be gain for that, we must make it plus. That's why gain of 3 kg weight you can make it what? Plus. In the next way, earning of rupees 1340. So earning means is what? Suppose earning means you can earn something. Earn something means something will be you can keep in your pocket. So whenever you can keep something in your pocket, then of course your pocket will be something will be go in there. So that's why whatever do it, you can do the plus. So understood? Whenever you can gain something, gain means you can get something, then you are saying that easily that this is the plus. And whenever you lost something anyway, you can lost something, then you can say this is the minus. So in this way you can solve the all problem from there. This is very easy. So one time if you can understood it, you have not faced any problem from there. So you see that part. Deposit of rupees 2500 in a bank. The deposit means is what? Deposit means of course something will be go in your pocket. So whenever everything go in your pocket, then you can say this is the plus. A jet plane flying is the height of 9320. The jet plane flying. Jet plane has the height. So number 7. Jet plane height will be so this will be plus. In the same way, 6 meters down in the basement of the building, the basement below. So below means minus. So in this way you can solve the all problems from there. Next, very important that in each of the following pair which number is to right of the other on the number line. So you have so some basic idea about the number line. First, what is the number line? This is the number line. Suppose if I write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way you see that whenever I go to the plus value, it has become the bigger. And this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 in this way. So whenever you can go to towards the 0, this will be greater. Towards the 0 means minus figure towards the 0, minus figure towards the 0 will be greater. And plus figure just to towards not, is a move from the 0, this will be bigger. Suppose you see plus 3 and plus 4. Plus 3 will be bigger than plus 4. Plus 4 will be bigger than plus 3. In the same way, suppose if I say minus 4 and minus 3, you see minus 4 will be smaller than minus 3. Okay, suppose sometimes if you forget it in which way, so you can think it first. Suppose if I say 1 and 2, which is greater? Of course this. And if I say minus 1 and minus 2, of course minus 1 will be greater for 3. So you think whatever do in the case of plus, you can do the reverse process in the do of the minus. So in this way you can solve this problem. Okay, so in this way you can solve it. So now I am discuss the question number 3. What is say that in each of the following figure, which number is to write to the other on the number line? So 0 and minus 2, see that part? From there you can get the answer. 0 and minus 2. Which number is to the right of the other? 0 and minus 2. 0 will be the right of the minus 2. Minus 2 you see in front of the board. So which is the left, right side, right side? The 0 is the right side of the minus 2. In the same way, left, suppose question number 4. What is say that? Suppose minus 4, minus 7. You see minus 4. I am not written minus 7. Minus 7 is this side. The minus 4 will be right side of the minus 7. Clear to all of you? Minus 10, minus 16. You see, sir, you have not given any number next 10. Okay, minus 10 I am not given. But you think minus 4, minus 5. So in this way, if you can go, 16 will be more this side. So the minus 10 will be right side of the minus 10. If the question asks which will be the left side, the minus 16 will be the left side of that. So in this way, you can solve all the problem just to use your little tricks, not just to, you can use your brain. And a little IQ will be required to do this part, otherwise nothing will be important part of there. Okay, next of all, okay, so now question number 5. Draw the number line and which integers lie between minus 9 and minus 2. Suppose this is the number line. If I can draw more than this, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, in this way. So in this way. So question asks which integers lie between minus 9 and minus 2. This is minus 9, minus 2. Which integers is there? This is the answer. Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4 and minus 3. This is the answer from there. This is the answer of what? 5 and 1. Which is the largest among them? Among them means is what? Minus 9 and minus 2. Question is minus 9, minus 2. Which is the, this is the zero, close of 0. So minus 2 will be the largest among them. Which is the smallest among them? Which is the extreme left? The answer will be 3 will be minus 9. Am I clear to you? Which is the extreme left? That will be minus smallest. And which is extreme right? This will be greatest. Next question. Number 6. Write 4 consecutive integers just greater than minus 9. Greater than minus 9, 4 consecutive integers. Question number 6. Greater than minus 8. Go to right side, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5. In this way. Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5. On that way you can go there. Write 4 consecutive integers just before the minus 2. Before the minus 2 answer will be what? Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. This will be just before that number. So in this way you can solve that part. Okay. Draw a number line, answer the following question. Suppose 8 and onwards I will be discussing you in the next day. Okay, so today up to this, you should be practice well in home. You will be better from there. Goodbye.